Hi, Mungai Kihara here. Welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in a place called Ruiru Matangi, exactly 2 kilometers off Thika superhighway. Next to me is a unit constructed by Kenya Homes Limited, and it has a print area of 165 square meters. The price of this unit is 7.95 million. This unit is in a set of other 6 units, and you are welcome to purchase any of them. As you can see, each unit comes with a perimeter wall, a front yard, and a car parking that is big enough to fit your 2 or 3 cars. Next to me is the grand entrance of this bungalow. Let's get in. From the entrance, you are welcomed by the living room of this bungalow, and as you can see, it's a big space for your family. This living room comes with these 3 floor-to-ceiling windows that gives you a ton of natural light. Next to me, you have the dining area of this bungalow. But before I show you that, let me show you the lighting of this living room. You have the side lights, you have the recess lights, and you have the center light. It's beautiful. On my left hand side, you have the dining area of this bungalow. This space is big enough to accommodate a family of 6. This dining area opens to the kitchen, and you have this big countertop that can be used as a breakfast table. From here, I'll show you the kitchen, and later on, I'll show you the bedrooms of this bungalow. From the entrance, you have this space that is set aside for your refrigerator. The refrigerator can also be kept on this side. This kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. And as you can see, the space is sufficient. The kitchen also comes with a set of drawers here and here for your cutlery. Next to me, you have the sink area of this kitchen. And as you can see, it's a double sink. This space is left for your cooking stove. This kitchen comes with sockets here and there for your other kitchen appliances. This door leads to the laundry area. But before I show you that, you have this space that can act as your pantry. Let me show you the laundry area. Just come. This is the laundry area, and you have your sockets for the laundry machines there. The laundry area extends from here to this other side where you have your clotheslines. All this space can be used for your laundry. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen, this is the center of the bungalow. On my left hand side, you have the living room and the dining area. On my right hand side, you have the common toilet. On the far front, you have the 3 bedrooms. Let's have a look at the common toilet. At the entrance, you have a wash basin. The common toilet comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. Let me show you the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. Next to me here is the second bedroom, and on the far end you have the primary bedroom. Let's see this. This bedroom is big for your kids, and it comes with its closet and its bathroom. I'll show you the closet first. From here, you can see that the closet comes with a sectioned part and an open section. The closet also comes with 2 drawers down there. Let's have a look at the bathroom. At the entrance of the bathroom, you have a wash basin. This bathroom also comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. The bathroom has all the other amenities. Let's see the second bedroom. The second bedroom is here. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. That makes it very easy to be used for the bigger children. Its closet is here and the bathroom is on the far end. I'll show you the closet first. The closet is just similar to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. Drawers down there, and the space is just the same. Let's see the bathroom. This bathroom is exactly similar to the bathroom we just saw. Let's head to the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom is just next to me. This is the biggest of all the bedrooms, and it comes with its bathroom and its closet here. As you can see, this is a floor-to-ceiling closet for you and your partner, and it comes with a small dresser. Let's have a look inside. As you can see, you have this space for you, and you have a similar section on this other side. This bedroom comes with this large window that sets maximum natural light to this room during the day. During the night, you have a very good lighting system. Let's see. Interesting. I'll show you the bathroom. Just come in. At the entrance, you have a wash basin and a toothbrush holder. On this other side, you have a water closet and a showering area. That's all for this unit. We have come to the end of the video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and you like this video. For the people who are looking for our contacts, they are pinned in the first comment. Bye.